Hi guys. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my another vlog. So today we are going to
Fort Kochi.
and
Binale, then to Matancheri.
we are already running late.
Yes. We missed the first bus, so we are taking much time to do the beauty.
Yeah, because of this beautician, and we got actually yesterday night we slept at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock.
We only came back by 1:30. We slept by 3.
3:30. Yeah, we slept at 3:30 or something, and now we woke up at 7:30. Okay, only 4 hours of sleep.
Now we're going.
So we'll miss our bus, and we missed it. So now I don't know how we will go. She is going to be my tour guide today. I don't know where we are. We are going to
Binale, Fort Kochi.
Fort Kochi. Yeah, Binale and Fort Kochi, and some places that I don't know the names. She is going to lead me today. She is going to my tour guide. She is going to be my guide. She's going to be everything today.
Yay!
So yeah.
This is Ende friend. He is working. This is Nivin. Nivin is my friend. And so this is Deepthi. He is eating. He is too worried to show his face on the camera. And his masala dosha came. Nayi roast came.
We'll take
We are
Water
walking
metro.
towards water metro. We'll take him.
See guys, this is Marine Drive. So many sparrows, no, crows are there, not sparrows. And it's smelling too bad. I don't know why they are not cleaning it. We reached at metro station, and this is the metro station, like water metro. Water metro? I'm just blabbering something. See, something written in Malayalam, I don't know.
It's written in English also on the side.
Where?
After High Court, there is written as High Court. So both Malayalis and non-Malayalis can understand what is written there.
Where?
There. High Court. After that, High Court.
Okay, yeah.
नीचे हिंदी में भी
लिखा है. हिंदी में भी लिखा है, इंग्लिश में भी. I thought it's only written in Malayalam. But yeah. Yes, we are in queue now.
long queue. I haven't ever seen a queue like this for water metro, but now we are trapped in the queue. The queue is so big.
See, so long queue.
Inside also people are sitting avade.
This is water metro. Like first metro station. Sorry, first water metro in India.
In India.
In India, right? We don't have water metro in any other places in India.
In Kerala, we don't have metro in any other
Like we have metro in different state, but water metro I think it's only in Kerala. I think. You guys tell us, like, is this like
Google it and comment.
Google it, or else if you know, then please comment whether this is the only like water metro in our country. Country means in India. We are from India. We are not speaking in Hindi, but Kerala people don't know Hindi.
We are trilingual.
Huh?
We are trilingual.
Trilingual: Hindi, English, Malayalam, Odia.
Then four-lingual. Quadrilingual.
I don't know Malayalam.
I don't know Odia. We
Then
can
three
merge
only.
together
Then three
and
only.
we'll become quadrilateral. Ala. I forgot what I was telling. It's true. We only have water metro in Kerala.
Yeah, Kerala not in India.
In
India only in Kerala we have water metro.
That too in Ernakulam.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I never heard water metro, and this I think when did this establish? Like when back then?
Like mostly in one day.
2023.
By Narendra Modi. Yeah, this is the only water metro
Built by Narendra Modi.
built by Narendra Modi, inaugurated by Narendra Modi G. Sorry, G. And yeah, this is the first like it's the single one and only water metro in our
Very
country,
correct.
in India, which was established in 2023.
Learn. Done. Learn fiction like this. It will be easy.
In my UG, we were
What if
literally we were
Salini is
studying.
saying this vlog?
I don't think she will. Okay,
She
if she
will.
sees, then sorry, ma'am.
She'll kick you. I want sweets. Guys,
Yummy, yummy. But don't eat sweets. Can we take all these things inside metro?
these things.
Yeah.
Yes.
So much security thing is happening. They are thinking we are having some kind of bomb in our bag or
We are self.
our bombs. Then they won't allow us, no, inside. She's also doing vlog today. Yay!
Doing short vlogs, she'll be doing the
Long vlog. Like, so if you are bored watching my vlog, then go to her vlog. You can
You'll be
finish it in
becoming-
1 minute. Everything you will see in 1
He is
minute.
saying that it will be more bore than my true friend is. I don't have any words.
True friend. True friend.
I am his true friend. Allah, I am a true friend, but he is a fake friend.
We booked a ticket and we got this one. For what? We will show this there. Every thought of shopping with your tickets turn over to no more. Kochi. How much it took per person? 50 rupees per person. Like 50 rupees per person is good, but we have to
Wait
wait
for
for
1
1 hour because there are
Today is shortly packed. 3 boats are already booked. Filled. So we'll have to wait for the 4th. It will take 1 hour.
so many people are there today. Today is Sunday, so that's why so many.
Malay will be
Back. But still, we will struggle to show you
never
guys,
stepping back from the.
decision that we took. Hi guys.
We are in the queue and this is the queue.
Yeah, and I unlocked like in my phone. This,
New option.
this option is also available. She said like she actually no I knew this thing is there, but I was never using this option.
And I reminded her
Yeah,
that
she reminded that I had one, like I have one friend and this friend have this feature in his phone. Then I said, I also have, but I'm not using it. So let's use now. Okay, I think we are going to stand here only. See, I have this feature. Yeah, I can record both. He's waiting. When it will stop, then he can go inside. Finally, we are going into the metro. I don't know whether we will get the seat or not, but let's walk. Be careful with your phone, okay? If it falls, then it's gone. We both are like we are both are recording him only.
She is not taking this. This is not English. I really don't want to speak in English anyway.
Why? But you have seats filled.
We can stand and travel.
This is the water metro. This is called fish netting. Like told by Teresa, I don't know. Teresa, lying. You're lying, no? You're lying.
That's true.
She's giving fake. She's lying.
See this last one. See something is genuine. This fish.
Snakes also will come, no?
One is me.
So bad. I know I'm very innocent person, but she is taking फायदा of my innocent. वो पूरा फायदा उठा रही है मेरे innocent होने का. वो बोली वहाँ से फिश आएगा बोल के, और मैं भी आप लोगों को दिखा रही थी फिश आएगा. She is like, everyone is cheating on me, I'll also cheat someone. It is taking 20-15 minutes from that marine port, I guess. I forgot the name. From marine port to Kochi Fort. I think we reached. Yeah, we reached.
അല്ല പറന്നല്ല ഒഴുകി ഒഴുകി
Guys, we reached at Kochi, Fort Kochi, and they took our card. Like, they won't give us that card, they will be reusing it. So now we have to walk. Today you won't be taking cycles.
We took cycle. We cycled for about 2. I think for 2 hours. We cycled for about 2 hours. പിന്നെ Fort Kochi reached.
This is called Vasco da Gama Street, and these are the shop. One, मेरे पास वो एक ब्रेसलेट था शी सेल का, वहाँ पे एक है शी सेल का ब्रेसलेट, वो मुझे मेरे प्लेस में पड़ा था 20 रुपीज़, और यहाँ पे दे आर गिविंग इट फॉर 50 रुपीज़. आई ऑलरेडी हैव दिस वन, केरला. Hey, my friend once he said to take one from there. One, yeah, but wait, I'll call him. I'll call him and I'll ask whether he want it or not. Wait. These all places have some kind of history. Like, these houses are. Tell about the history of this place. I love.
Guys, this hotel was made in the past. I forgot the year, but it was made in the past, not in the present.
Why you're speaking like no like during boring colonial period?
Yeah, this
okay.
is what.
And she is explaining like she is explaining like she is writing exam, like it's 20 marks. Sorry, it's no, it's 10 marks, but she don't know anything and she is just exaggerating. She has to write something.
All I know is just
So that's why she is. We are literature student, bro. We will exaggerate only.
Exactly.
Yeah, we do that. That is our job to do. So yeah, this is the place. So many beautiful houses. Beautiful what? Normal houses are only there. Come.
Colonial period. We were near some red building.
We are here. We were. No, our English is not English. My Hindi is not Hindi. My Odia is also not
My
Odia.
Malayalam is Malayalam.
Yeah. My Odia is also not Odia.
Stand here.
Take video.
I'll take a photo or video, whatever you want.
Here, this is.
Deepthi loving big trees. The colonial princess was living on that street.
That's why it's called
the
Princess
name.
Street.
Yes,
See this.
that.
And all the princess things are available. Princess was living on a street.
Yes.
So yeah, that's why we also live in a street.
Right. Very correct.
True only. He might be thinking like what?
Used to all this.
What
all
kind
the
of
friends
girl
of
these
him
are?
is like that.
Now I'm feeling insecure. Now You
You
have
should
to.
have worn some sari.
You have to remove my right. Now you people have to remove my insecurity by commenting how I look. Am I looking good or
10
not?
on 10.
Yeah. But she said. You people have to say. I'm बहुत ज़्यादा insecure feel कर रही हूँ मैं अभी. यहाँ पे इतने अच्छे अच्छे आउटफिट पहन के आए हैं, इतने सुंदर सुंदर लड़कियाँ, लड़के तो आई एम नॉट सीइंग. चलेगा. हाँ. So
Shouldn't we be going to Binani?
नाउ आई एम फीलिंग वेरी मच इनसिक्योर. सो आप लोग मेरे इनसिक्योरिटी दूर करो कमेंट करके कि मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ या नहीं. शो माई आउटफिट. शो माई आउटफिट.
Guys, this is Deepti's outfit. She looks so good. Wow!
You tell me how am I looking?
You look 10 on 10, maybe 100 on 10.
और इतने सुंदर सुंदर लड़कियां हैं. Why I am a girl? I should have I should be a boy. No. I like being a girl. No, मुझे नहीं नहीं बनना है बॉय. मैं लड़की ही अच्छी हूँ. We are very good being a girl.